when you are free of sugar for a minimum of 7 days, 7 days to 30 days, you're not going to want it again. And if you try something that is sweetened after you've been off it for a while, it's going to taste gross. It's going to be too sugary. The way nature created foods, the way nature created plants, plant foods like fruits and vegetables, everything is in the right balance. And you can kind of tell the way things are naturally, how they're intended to be consumed. Like, you can't overeat strawberries like you can overeat Oreos. Like you just literally cannot do it. You will get sick. It has a built-in mechanism.
We go apple picking sometimes during the fall, and like you're allowed to eat apples off the tree as long as you finish them. Like that's the rule. And so I'm always like, I got to get the most out of my investment. I got to try to eat as many apples as I can. I like cannot get past like 2, it's like nauseating.
Right. Yeah. It's just too much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. But unfortunately, the things that are not good for us are so easy to overdo.